Today we will discuss about money matters, punches of debts. Debt, who has not experienced having it? Who does not get pushed to a situation to have it? Money says it all. Though some people say that money is not the most important thing in life, the paradox happens around us. People do everything just to keep their pockets full. Many even tries to do all means just covet it without considering the morality of the action. People dive, box, steal, swindle just for that thing. People want to live with comfort. Affluence is so influential today. Money pulls opportunities nearer to one. Just imagine one day, you realized that you have too much debt. What will you do? Hide or seek? There are these effects which are less talked about, but they are so true. If one's debt pile up, it will really give a hard time to the individual. Just the thought of soaring bills, the soonest deadlines, the fines if one could not pay on time. All of these will really make one go mad. Not only mad but first, one's self-esteem will trim down due to the thought that one is so bad to have allowed himself to be in that situation. This effect is proven by many situations. The sudden change in one's grooming may tell. Keeping your confidence in this kind of scenario is a must. Letting go of one's self-esteem may just ruin your entire life. The frustration of not making it well will really affect a person's perception of his very self. He thinks he is the cause of the entire problem. Sometimes past frustrations will also be opened again. Stress is a major problem by modern-day people. When one is stressed out due to worrying about his debts, like what if he is going to be put behind bars due to it? These continuous thoughts will really disturb the person psychologically. This will give one anxious moment. Lose of appetite will follow soon. Sickness will follow. Not only lose of appetite but also lack of sleep because of thinking so hard will cause a person to get thinner. His resistance to physical challenges will not be good like it used to. The most painful blow of having so much debt is the walls it will build within a family. Since you are so affected by the problem, you get irritated so easily. Family members will also share the sentiments, like frustration and shame. There are even times when you will blame each other for the misfortune. Arguments, complaints and blames will bloom out of the blue. People involved will surely feel the pain of the situation. A family will be divided, a friendship may crack down. Worst, untoward cases of inflicting deeper degree of pain will be the consequence. Life is a gamble. We cannot have everything, but we can do something in order to set the path we want to take with our beloved family. Borrowing money is fine. Just see to it that your resources are enough to pay it on time. If you found this video helpful, by the way, be sure to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video soon.